Hello, my name is Teacher Rose. Today, we will be learning the letters of the alphabet. But before that, I would like to ask a simple favor from all of you to please support this channel, The Learning Corner. Please subscribe to The Learning Corner for more informative videos in the future. Let us now learn the letters of the alphabet. First, let us sing the ABC song. Okay, that was great. Let us now discuss each letter of the alphabet. This is letter A. Letter A has the sound of ah, ah. Copy the shape of the mouth. Ah. Again, letter A. Sound ah, as in apple. Apple. This is letter B. Letter B has the sound of b, b. Again, letter B. B, b. As in ball. Ball. This is letter C. The sound of letter C is k, k. Again, letter C. K, as in cat. Cat. Next, this one is letter D. The sound of letter D is d, d. Again, letter D. Sound d, as in dog. Dog. Next, we have letter E. The sound of letter E is eh, eh. Again, letter E. Sound eh, as in elephant. Again, elephant. Next one is letter F. The sound of letter F is f. Again, this is letter F. As in flower. Flower. Now let's go to letter G. The sound of letter G is g, g. Again, letter G. Sound g, as in gift. Gift. Next, we have letter H. The sound of letter H is ha, ha. Okay? Again, letter H. Sound ha. as in hand, hand. Now let's go to letter I. The sound of letter I is I, I. Again, letter I. Sound I, as in igloo, igloo. Next, we have letter J. The sound of letter J is D, D, D. Again, this is letter J. Sound D, as in jar, jar. Next, we have letter K. The sound of letter K is K, K. Again, letter K. Sound K, K, as in kite, kite. Now we go to letter L. Letter L. The sound of letter L is L, L. Again, letter L. Sound L, as in log, log. Next, we have letter M. Letter M. The sound of letter M is mm, mm. Again, letter M. Sound as in mother, mother. Now we go to letter N. Letter N. The sound of letter N is N, N. Again, letter N. Sound N, as in net, net. Now this is letter O. The sound of letter O is O, O. Again, letter O. Sound O, as in octopus, octopus. Now this one is letter P. Letter P has the sound of P, P. Again, letter P. Sound P, P, as in pencil, pencil. Next, we have letter Q. Again, letter Q. The sound of letter Q is Q, Q. Again, letter Q. Sound Q, as in queen, queen. Now this one is letter R. Letter R has the sound of her, 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 or r. Again, letter R. Sound r, as in rabbit, rabbit. Now we go to letter S. The sound of letter S is S, S. Again, letter S. Sound S, as in snake, snake. This one is letter T. Again, letter T. The sound of letter T is T, T. Again, letter T. Sound T, as in table, table. Now the next one is letter U. The sound of letter U is uh. Again, letter U. Sound as in umbrella. Umbrella. Now we go to letter V. Everybody say letter V. The sound of letter V is V. V. Letter V. Sound V. As in vase. Vase. This is letter W. Sound W. Again, letter W. Sound W. As in wig. Wig. Now we go to letter X. The sound of letter X is X. X. Letter X. Sound X. As in xylophone. Xylophone. Now this is letter Y. The sound of letter Y is Y. Y. Again, letter Y. Sound Y. As in yellow. Color yellow. Then we have letter Z. The sound of letter Z is Z. Z. Again, letter Z. Sound Z. As in zipper. Zipper. Now that you have learned the letters of the alphabet, let us sing the ABC song once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Now let's do the sound. Yeah.